Skill gap, a major concern for employers in India. Skill gap causing losses in productivity and revenue in top 10 world economies. A 69% of Indian employers experiencing a shortage of skilled labor within their organization. 35% of Indian employers report that top performers left their company in 2012. 83% of Indian employers plan to train workers who don't have experience in that particular industry field for positions and hire them within their company this year. The growing deficit of skilled labor needed to fill in demand jobs is causing a drag on employers across the globe. A significant number of employers in the 10 largest world economies said that extended job vacancies have resulted in lower revenue and productivity and the inability to grow their businesses. Employers in China were the most likely to report having open positions they cannot fill and its corresponding negative effects on their performance. Russia houses the largest percentage of employers reporting a revenue shortfall tied to extended job vacancies, while the US is among those most likely to report a productivity loss. Japan ranked high among those who said the inability to find skilled talent has impeded expansion of their businesses. The global survey conducted online by Harris Interactive from November 1 to November 30, 2012 included more than 6,000 hiring managers and human resource professionals in countries with the largest gross domestic product. The inability to fill high skilled jobs can have an adverse ripple effect, hindering the creation of lower skilled positions, company performance, and economic expansion. Major world economies are feeling the effects of this in technology, healthcare, production, and other key areas. The study underlines how critical it is for the government, private sector, and educational institutions to work together to prepare and re-skill workers for opportunities that can help move the needle on employment and economic growth. Percentage of companies that have open position they can't fill. Employers in the BRIC countries, Brazil, Russia, India, and China, were the most likely to report challenges in recruiting high skilled labor, with more than half of employers stating they currently have positions for which they can't find qualified candidates. These same markets are also hiring at a more accelerated rate, containing the highest percentage of employers planning to add full-time permanent staff in 2013. Thank you.